General Manager of Beachcomber Hot Tubs and Patio, and today I want to talk about the importance of cleaning and maintaining your filter. One of the things I've told customers for many years, it's important to have a clean filter, to have healthy, clean and clear water. What we've been telling people for many years is you should clean your filter at least once a month. The easiest way to remember, as I've told customers, is pick a day that works best for you. For me, it's always been Sundays. The first Sunday of every month, what I will do is I'll go outside to my hot tub, I'll go to my keypad, turn it on to what's called standby mode, and if you forget or aren't sure how to go to standby mode, please feel free to refer back to your owner's manual. Again, if you can't find your owner's manual, it's on the front page of our website, beachcomber.ab.ca. Once I've got the tub on standby, what I'll do is I'll open up my microfilter lid, reach inside, and I'll pull out my skimmer weir, and underneath that skimmer weir is where I'm going to find my microfilter basket. Now, if you're not using our pre-filter socks, start using them. They're fantastic. What they do is they catch the 5 biggest things that get into your water: hair, lint, leaves, grass, and bugs. And they're going to be picked up by this filter sock. Every month, when you do your filter cleaning, take your filter sock off, throw it in the garbage, start all over, put a new sock on top of it. Then you'll reach inside and grab your microfilter. So once you've got your dirty microfilter, what you can do is take that filter, put it into a 5-gallon pail, or what we recommend is using one of our wonderful microfilter cleaning flasks. So what you'll do is you'll take that filter, stick it inside of this flask, and then you'll pour in warm water. So enough warm water to be able to totally submerge the filter. And then you can pour in one of the 2 filter cleaners. Now, if you're using filter soak, you'll pour it in and you'll let it soak for exactly 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can pull it out, take your garden hose and start hosing it off to get all the filter cleaner out. Now, the beauty of filter soak is, first of all, it's blue in color. And why they made it blue in color is once you pull your filter out after an hour, these pleats are going to be blue. So you're going to continue to hose them off until they come back to this nice white, clean look again. If you're using the Mineralux Filter Revive, you'll soak it for a minimum of 15 minutes, and the same routine will happen, where you'll continue to hose it off until you get all the cleaner out, okay? Now, people ask us for many years, how often do I have to actually replace the filter? We always tell people it's a great idea to replace this filter about every 12 to 18 months. When you start to see these pleats get fuzzy, or if this middle band ever breaks, that's the time to actually replace that filter. So always have 2 filters. You're going to get 1 filter with your new Beachcomber hot tub, and always come in and purchase a second. So every month you can actually switch them back and forth. Thanks very much. See you again soon.